There we go. So, hey guys, thought I'd put this out there. I had some guys I was showing this off earlier, and thought I'd put this out there for you. This is my scale crawler. This is made by Tamiya. Actually, it's a kit. It's been highly modified. I've shortened it. It's got beadlock rims. It's got a 3-speed transmission. Really super strong steering servo in it without, it's an all metal servo in it, without a servo saver. And like I say, it's it's 4-wheel drive. The differentials are locked on it. It's a solid composite body. It's not that one on plastic bodies. It's highly detailed. I'm probably gonna work on this throughout. I'm gonna put I got a light kit for it. I'm gonna put headlights and that in it. So the headlights will be on when the truck is on and stuff like that. So like I said, I thought I'd put this out here as a quick video. This is made by Tamiya. The basic kit is about $600 without the radio and the controllers and servos. This has even a special motor in it that they call a lathe motor, so it's geared really slow for power. That's why I can run it so slow here, and you can see it still climbs. That's the motor setup it's in it, so you can see that it has no issue climbing over my case. And I built this gosh, probably 8 years ago, and it still runs. It's like everything else, I take care of it. I went through my batteries, and I still got good batteries, so I was shocked there. But you can see, if I'm backing off camera, I'm sorry. It's a leaf spring truck. We go like that, and you can see the articulation in it. So it's a heavy truck too. It's about 3.5 pounds. It's all steel frame. The axles are composite, steel drive shafts. The axle housings are composite. I should say the axles are steel in it. Has a 3-speed transmission, like I said. It also has a tilt bed. That's how I access the battery. You can see the battery wires just sticking underneath there right now. So I just thought I'd quick put this up there to show everybody, because there's people. And yes, it does run. Right there it is. I got really super soft tires on it, and I'm just saying I'm running over my GoPro case, what I'm running over, making do. So it depends on how many people like it or not. I will probably do some scale crawling videos as well with it. So I just thought that put it out there. This is a Futaba T3PK radio system. I use a synthesized module. So this actually has 10 model memory in it. So I can run 10 different cars off this one radio, in which I run a synthesized module in there, and there's I can just set it for whatever frequency I need it to be at. This was something we did back in the day. So I used to run my nitro cars, my Revos and monster trucks, all of my big cars and trucks off this radio system. So, and there's a display back here that I can see. It's all labeled Tamiya, and it says my user on it, and I can adjust my throttle trim. I got a digital display here, and everything that's on it. And I can take the wheel if I want. I can take the wheel, move it on this side. For me being a lefty, this works out better for me. I have other adjustments here. I got trim and everything adjustments. This is obviously my power button. And up here, this is the Cam Pro, and what this does lets me put 20 more RC models into this thing. So then right there's my charge port, and there's a port there where you can plug in a unit to dial in the radio. So I just thought I'd put this out there, guys. Like I said, this is a Tamiya. I'll look up the description of the truck, and I'll post and I will also post it when the video's done uploading, where you can get it from. So this is a Futaba 3PK radio system and a Tamiya truck. So just thought I'd put this out there, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.